Hello everybody, just a quick video here. This will be a two-parter. This is a 1980s power strip. It hangs up there normally, but I went through the trouble to take it down to get a closer look at it. I thought it had a date code on it, and maybe it does inside. I think we've got a bad plug right there. I will ask about that and see what's going on. It's metal, and it's tan, and it's got brown plugs on it. It's got a neon indicator light, a nice robust on-off switch, and a circuit breaker. This has been hanging here since I was a kid. So I'm an 80s kid, and it's definitely been here since mid to late 80s anyway. 88, 89 maybe. But we'll unplug the lights. And there's the neon. So now I will hang this back up and we'll go look at the second item. And there's what it looks installed. When I replace this plug on it, I will see if it's got a date code on the inside. And here's part two. My Sony Vaio desktop computer from around 2002. Here's the model number and some of the specs on it. Please pause if you want to look at that a little closer. And I've got an assortment of memory sticks in there, and they are indeed Sony Vaio purple, as well as the purple accent stripe on both sides. And the speaker grill cloth is purple, and that accent runs across the top. They are the speakers that came with it, a little bit dirty. I got a matching Microsoft mouse, and there's that purple color on the flip-out keyboard, which I leave tucked under from a little. It's got a little more room like that. It doesn't stick out. Here's the monitor, the original monitor that came with it. It does work, but I had this larger size up in a closet, so I thought I would upgrade that a little bit. I guess I can go ahead and power it up. Mainly what I use this for is to view schematic diagrams. It works well enough to do that. I did replace the CMOS battery in it. That's the only thing I've ever done to it. It's a little bit dipped, but it does work. It's got a bunch of nonsense that pops up right at first because I don't have it connected to the internet. And the display's a little bit dicked. I can't change the resolution for whatever reason. You'll see what I mean when everything comes up. I do have the sound turned off. This monitor is a little bit dim when it first starts up, but it brightens up as it stays on for about 5-10 minutes. This is just as it was when I took it out of service back in 2007, 2008, somewhere in there, and it came out here. So it's got some, I guess you would say, vintage icons here and there. The random nonsense will start popping up any moment. There it starts. I can get rid of that one like that. And the time is correct. So yeah, that's see, there's some more of that crap that's popping up. Yeah, you know, it's been out of service a while with tax cut 2005 and all that. And here's what I mainly use it for. I can pull up schematic diagrams if I'm working on an old radio or something like that. And it works just wonderful for that. Absolutely wonderful. And it's even better with this larger monitor. So yeah, that's the power strip from the 80s and the 2002 Sony Vaio. Thank you for watching. Ooh, there's a bonus. Look what I found the other day. That's another video coming up, so stay tuned for that. As well as this. This is a big project coming up. We'll do a sneak peek at it. It works. Pardon the noise, but it's laying on its back, so it's rubbing directly against the motor housing on the top. But that's for another video as well as all this stuff back here. And I have more in the work truck to add to this later. So thanks again, once again, thanks for watching.